The Raid International Gaspésie is a 4-day, 300-kilometer multi-sport adventure race. To do this, you need to find a great teammate, somebody with who you know you will be able to complete something really hard. You and your teammate will need to navigate by mountain biking, kayaking, trekking. You will trail run. You will have to swim in some pristine river. You will have to rappel down huge cliffs. Or bridges. Or waterfalls. You will also have to navigate yourself on the coast, do a lot of coastering.
I think we didn't do quite well in paddling, but we traced up a lot in biking and trekking sessions.
賽道好好啦，其實咁好天然啦，咁不過可能獨木舟嗰度大家可能 match 得唔好啦，叫做今日都會繼續俾心機。Yeah hey good yes。
幾順利啊，暫時。
Points on 1, points on 3, points on 4, points on
今日朝早好凍啊！咁我哋今朝早5點鐘就夜到獨木舟啦，咁就凍到個人都震啦，咁上到水啦，隻腳又係震啦，手又係震。咁好啦，而家出咗啲太陽就好啲啦，即係冇咁凍啦，咁啊可以繼續。今日係 last day。
Ferrata, yeah. It should be very fun.
單車路好斜，同埋要有啲技術啦。如果唔係，因為第一次踩呢啲MT bike， 可能一落斜嗰陣時會有少少驚啊。不過叫做慢啲 OK 嘅。
On the last day, the racer will arrive to the Baie des Chaleurs in front of Carleton-sur-Mer, According to National Geographic, this is one of the most beautiful bay on earth.
We got a couple of mistakes at the top of the mountain. We lost a bit of time and we catch that time on the bicycle.
The raid is an amazing race. It's great for making new friends and the area is beautiful.
The fifth time we did this event, so yeah, really great.
How cold are you now?
Very cold right now, but
We'll be okay after the coffee in 5 minutes.
I've been cold half of the day, and now I'm so happy to be here and to have finished. But it was a beautiful day, a beautiful 3 days of race.
Very proud to my team. It's a very strong woman and very strong young man.
Wheel is really stunning, and I think the orienteering is a very challenging part, and the biking is quite technical in some points, and the trail running you can see all the forests in around this area. So the whole race is really fun, and we all enjoy it.
係好辛苦嘅，不過你過咗之後咧，所睇嘅嘢係非常之靚。如果你中意越野嘅比賽，一定要試下呢個比賽，我覺得係。
les filles peuvent donner des médailles.
This is how windy it is now. We have to fly